solve your problem, or still you are facing a problem?
Actually, I tried, but I didn't get the solution. If you
Solution is a
whenever
simple.
uh,
Solution is a simple.
hmm,
If you want to just pass a message, then you have a temp data
hmm.
with you. Just use that. And
But
this
sir,
is
I
just a
just
global
wanted
one.
to redirect that thing to the another view, another controller and another view. So
No
I
worry.
use a return redirect to action. I mean,
Why you require that? You need to fulfill your objective. Why you are just to try to do this only? You
okay.
need to understand the concept and need
Mm-hmm.
to try to fulfill that, because you
Mm-hmm.
cannot do, you cannot implement, because there are a lot of uh, things are available with us. Temp data is available.
Mm-hmm.
Why those are available? They have
Mm-hmm.
some specific purpose. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
You cannot try to do, hey, this is the means in a controller, we can pass this. Now we are changing our controller and changing our means we are now, earlier we are from Madri house, now we are moving towards Shraddha house. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And in a Shraddha house, lot of things are varied. Am I right? You
Mm-hmm.
cannot achieve same thing there. So
Okay,
that's why
it's
so
exactly.
that's why I told you. You
Mm-hmm.
need to know what other ways you have and why. What are the, you can say. That's why I told you. You need to learn the theory and practice as well.
Okay. But sir, whenever we access some website, for example, Amazon or some shopping website, when we pass our credential like username and password, then we log into the another page, right? So the message we get, hi, we get our name and all that things.
No worry. That's not an issue. If let's say we have a shared location, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And a share on a shared location, you guys have as a team, we all have access there. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you will fetch the data from there, then it's available. That's why I told you why you are trying to, you can say, passing from one screen to another. You
Mm-hmm.
can simply do that. This thing you can, whatever, when you successfully log in, store in a temp. Am I right? And
Okay.
read from there.
Mm-hmm.
And then in
Mm-hmm.
future, when we will learn your database, then you will fetch everything from database.
Okay. Okay.
Why you are
Um,
spending so much time here on?
Get it, sir. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
That's why I told you, you need to go with the flow and don't
Mm-hmm.
rigid with the one thing only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let me share my screen. So today we need to discuss about HTML, and whatever you know, just let me know. After that, we will do a practical of the HTML and discuss the things. Okay, in a practical manner.
Mm-hmm.
Just I want what you know about this HTML first.
HTML, it is a it's markup language which is used to design, basically it is used to design the page. There are the tags which we can use to design our page.
Okay.
There are heading tags, paragraph tag, anchor tag. So many tags are there.
Okay. Okay. Whatever you guys are able to recall, we will try all these tabs. Okay.
Okay, yes.
So just tell me quickly what you know those. Okay, we will try those,
Hmm.
which you already know. And if you are okay, let's start with this. Create this is a shortcut command to create your HTML page in this VS Code is HTML, and you need to select, and
Hmm.
skeleton is ready for you. Okay,
Hmm. Yes.
so and you tell me the name of your tags.
First, we start with H heading tag. Then
Okay,
P is there. The
adding.
paragraph.
Okay, adding. So 1 to 6 are there. Okay,
Hmm.
and but it's opposite. 6 is a, you can say, less size.
Less.
Hmm.
Understand my point? Okay, what else?
P,
Paragraph is
paragraph.
there.
Hmm.
Okay, P, and what is next? And
Hmm.
what you understand
Mm,
from tag? What do you understand from tag, guys?
Tag.
It will come up with those properties. Like if we are writing h1 tag with the heading tag, it will write, or it will represent that whatever the text is there inside h1 tag, it will represent as a heading. Suppose we are using paragraph, p as a tag, then it will consider that text or whatever the we are passing inside that p tag, it will consider as a paragraph.
Okay.
Mhm.
We
So
just segregate these.
how many type of tags available in HTML?
How many? Not exactly count.
Two types,
I,
paired one and singular.
okay.
Paired one and singular. Like break is a singular tag,
Mhm.
right?
Same.
Where you have a opening and closing tag are
Hmm.
there,
Hmm.
then that's stored this. Okay. Okay, what is element? What is element, guys?
Sorry.
That means you not studied
Mhm.
very hard. You are assuming you know all these things very well. What is element? What is attribute, guys?
Don't know about Orient.
Any Madri?
No idea, sir.
So how much? What's your rating for HTML then? You guys have a limited time with you. Are you doing? Are you on a path, right path, guys?
No, we are
Shweta and
lagging
Madri.
behind. No, we are lagging behind.
And what's your purpose to joining this course? Are we lagging behind?
No.
Okay. So basically, let's say element, then this is called element. Okay. So right now this is called tag. When it's a content, then it's called element. It's completely called element. Am I right? This is a value and this is a, you can say, tag. Am I right? This is called element. And attribute, let's say we all are a human being, and to differentiate, we have a different names. Am I right? Different address. Understand? Means tag is same, but which property will differentiate one tag to another? That's called element. Oh, sorry, attributes. Am I right? Like we have this common attribute and as well as specific attribute like this. Anchor tag has this reference. Am I right? This is called attribute. Okay.
Hmm.
So okay. Another tags which you know already, guys.
As you read, the href tag is there for link, for passing links.
Anchor tag.
Anchor.
Anchor tag.
Yes, anchor tag is there. Okay. What else?
Image.
br is there, break, to break the line.
Break is there. Okay. And then what else?
As Madhuri said, image is there. We can use image. The tag is there.
Okay, images. Let me write this. Image is there. Then break is there. Okay. Anything else? Right?
I have one doubt. Div comes under HTML or inside CSS? Div we use
Yes, it's a tag. Div tag.
Okay.
it. Div tag, but it comes under HTML, no, not with CSS.
Yes,
Or
yes,
how
yes,
is
yes, yes, yes. Yes.
okay?
Okay. Div is also tag. Okay. What else?
The bold, italic,
In,
they are also
then
tags.
we have password also.
Bold, italic, and then table is
Input
also.
also. We use that input also, no, for inserting any text box or like that.
Form element.
Form.
Yes. So italic, and apart from that, form is there.
Form.
And as you guys said, table. Apart from that, any other hack, you know,
Input
yes.
comes. Span is there. Yes.
Sorry?
Span. Inside the we sometimes we use that.
Come again, Shraddha, please.
Span.
Span.
Span. Span. Okay. Okay. Anything else? How you can represent a list in HTML?
Li.
LIUL, an order list, and OL order list.
Okay.
Mhm.
Anything else, guys? Or you are good with this? Madhuri, Shraddha?
In form, there are label, button.
Yes. Table is there, button is there, the form is there, table is there. Yes.
Mhm.
Anything else? No?
No, I'm not able to recall now. I guess we have written the image. No?
Mhm.
Yes, images. Yeah.
Script is also tagged, right? Or
Yes, script is also there. Good. Do you know HTML5?
HTML5.
Yes. What is that?
Mhm.
Do you know HTML5? And you know semantic tags? But what are those? What is the why those are introduced in HTML5?
No idea, sir.
Okay. Okay, no worries. Let's complete
We
this.
forgot our header and footer also. Have you written?
Yes, advanced footer. Those are semantic tags. Anything else? Anything else, guys? Anything else, guys? No?
No.
Same like this header and footer, we have a nav bar, and you can say main session. Okay. So these are also there. Makes sense. Let's check this first. Hope you are able to see. Now you are able to see these things are there. Okay. And this is your this bold and italic. Let's try to open this. Right. You are able to launch your website. Okay. You can link with your internal pages as well. It's totally up to you. And you will use this a lot. That's why to understand this HTML is also crucial for you guys. You understand my point, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so div is a container tag. It will contain another, you can say, things, okay, like P1 or anything. If you check this, then I know means our previous thing when these semantic tags are not there, will you div only to structure our page. Even though in this the project itself, you are able to see this use of div is a lot. Okay. So this is spam, and there is a subscript and sub and superscript is also there to write this. You can say, let's say, H2O. Am I right? And here the two is you can say is written below. Am I right? And so you can use that. There are a lot of tags are there. You understand my point, guys? So we try this break. Let's say HR tag is also there. HR for horizontal row. You can see this is this is a horizontal row. Okay. So div, and if we talk about this list, this let's write this li 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on so forth. And you can do a nesting as well. It's totally up to you. You understand my point, guys?
Yes.
So this is a order list and this is another order and another. Okay. And if you talk about table, then table have a th, table hat. Okay. Table hat and table rows. Table rows. And in the table you have a table data, means columns. Okay. So let's say it here. th, and we can say th, okay. Yeah. And First. First, the table. Table have some attribute you can apply, which you can use. This. Now let's check this. Now this is a table without any border, okay? Without height and width, but this is you are able to see. But what I is need to change this to TD table data. Here you are able to see the difference between TD and TH. TH is for you can say heading and it's a highlighter, bold one. But TD is not bold one. I'll show you. Guys, I have one question for you.
Yes.
Which approach is good for you? I will do the practical in front of you that are good for you, or you will perform these things after going through the study, and wherever you stuck, I will help you there. I just need to understand your mindset, what you are thinking. Now you're able to see? Okay. This is a table, and the table have a different attribute which you can use. What's your opinion there, Shraddha?
I think we are good going.
Good going. But if you will not practice that,
We have to put some extra efforts for that.
Yes.
when can I expect from you guys? You're able to see now it's coming with a border, right?
Yes.
And if you want to this color as well, color, background color, you can also do that. This could be a paper. Any question or concern till now, guys?
No, sir.
No.
So span exactly what do you say?
Will not give anything. So span means used for you can say this class language and children. Okay. And if you check more detail about this, you can check the documentation of this anytime. This is a you can say general online container for paging content. We does not actually represent everything. You can see to highlight the things, okay, inside a paragraph.
Okay.
So span, okay, and this. There are a lot of tags, Madhuri.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot cover all this. Caption is there, abbreviation is there, okay. So a lot of tags are there. But what we need to cover on this, you need to focus lot of things and your container tag like this header, Mino. Because right now, if you are able to see this name, am I right? Then it makes sense for you, am I right? It is containing information related to website header. You understand my point?
Mm.
And if you check this footer, then means it will tell means give more information to the browser. Hey, this tag will contain a footer information, but it doesn't mean just writing this it will align accordingly. No, you understand my point?
Yes.
These are the semantic tags which will give a more information regarding from a tag itself. What is the purpose of this? And means if you don't mind, could you answer me why you are not regular to your this practice? Is there any specific reason? And what you will change? What thing you guys are going to change so that you will be regular there? Otherwise, it's a similar. I will join gym tomorrow, and tomorrow will never ever come. Am I right?
Right.
So, what's your plan? I need to understand that. How you will overcome this? Because we are in a half of the our course. Am I right? You know the thing, but unless you will not practice here, then you will not come up with the questions. Am I right? And you will not feel good. Oh, that is there. Yes, Shraddha, what's your plan?
Put more effort for the practical from our end.
And what about theory part?
We are going through that also side by side. Because for me, I'm going through the theory as I'm getting time, but I'm lacking in the practical for practicing whatever we are studying at practical. So I have to put extra efforts with the practical.
Yes. So, as I told you, you are your best friend and enemy as well. You understand my point?
Yes, right.
And your competition with you only, not someone else. Sure, sure. Okay. Now here you are able to see it will give a more meaning to the web browser with the help of tag name only. These are the called semantic tag. Okay. And as you guys told me, this is a form, and in a form we have a input, and input have a you can say different type. With the help of that, you can differentiate. And button is also there. Like here, you will say click. Okay. So here you have attributes, input have attributes like type, and these are the different types available with you. Okay, you can, with the help of input, you can create a button, you can create a time picker, date picker, or this you can do. And apart from that, you have a audio and video tag as well.
Okay.
We have a lot of options with us. Okay.
In form also we have the type like we can mention the method in our form, right?
So that's the interactivity which you are going to do by your this only C# or JavaScript. Am I right? When we will do this, what is this? The term is there. Which we will use one library there. With the help of that, we will provide an interactivity to your this views.
Okay.
Which is Java library. I forgot the name of that. Yeah, jQuery.
jQuery.
Yes. Okay, date is there, and name is you can say GOB, date of birth, and you can say ID is also attribute with the help of that. where in a JavaScript or the jQuery we are able to find that element, am I right?
Hmm.
Date, okay, so now there is also placeholder is there. With the help of that, you can give a hint itself, here itself. Okay.
Yes.
Your data. Date, so, like apart from that, we have other options. We have other option as well, like checkbox, radio button, to create a form element which you are able to see on your normal website. Okay,
Mm.
so
We
check.
are missing that ending, closing the tag.
You can do that, but it will not complain to you
Not-
if you will not do, and if you
Okay.
can do this
It
as
won't give us error. Okay.
no, it will not.
Okay.
So this is a shortest way. Am I right? In element you need to give a value, but here we are not give any value, so you can keep this like this way as well. So this is my this checkbox. Okay, and for that you can use a label as well, because right now placeholder is not working for this. You can use label as Madhuri suggests us a label is there. You can do this, use label, and here is a for this is for let's say DOB. Okay, so please you need to be agree and you can okay, title, please uh, with um, the transaction. Okay, I need to put a value here. Okay, I think that's the character. Yes. Now you are able to see. Okay. And apart from that, you have a multiple option or input type. If you want to attach some file with your this, you have you can say file type as well with you. Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
we can use that password also. It will directly give the stars.
Yes.
I
You,
just I have one question. We use that run at server na, inside input. Many times we use that run at server. It is for, if I'm not wrong, it is for just taking that request to the server, or for what?
sorry. Come again, please.
Inside input tag na, we use that run at equal to server, right? So
For what? In
for
a
what
form,
purpose it is?
we will use this like what is the you can say this what it will do, right? Where you need to submit. Like on submit, there is a events are there which you can perform on click, but not exactly what you want, what you are asking. Sorry, I'm unable to understand.
Uh, there
Okay.
sometimes there are feel like runat is equal to
Run at
server, runat
huh.
server. So
inside input only, as we have written type name, we use that also. No, run as equals to server. So I will
why
Yeah,
we use that?
you are saying there should be some attribute, but there is no attribute for an answer. But you can display anything, whatever you want to do.
okay, okay, fine. I will check.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's totally up to you, it's your form, but this decide what kind of data is going to take. Am I right? Let's say if you will use input type as a password, then you are not able to see your whatever you enter, you are not able to see. Am I right? It's showed in your dot dot dot. Make sense?
Okay.
And if you choose your this type is email, then it will give you a it will give you on phone. It will give you an option to keyboard with the email required things. Okay. And then password. So now you are able to see this. Enter your date of birth. But here we are totally keep that. Use this file tag.
Before
So here we will say retrieve this. Um, let's check this. This is a file. Okay. So you can select any file. Okay. Any question or concern, guys, till now? No? And let's do one thing. Let's do something with our JavaScript, a script tag. So any tag we missed, Madhuri and Shraddha,
no, I just
which we
know.
mentioned but we not covered. Div, div is as I told you, you can put this inside a div as well, so that you can control your layout of your this pages. That's the purpose of div only. You understand my point?
Yes.
So right now, let's say create one simple application where we'll use a JavaScript to do the things. Yeah, JavaScript is nothing, it's a mind for your application. Okay. So if you want to give a mind to your application, then JavaScript is required. And you said it's for styling, Shraddha. HTML not for styling, it's for structuring only.
Okay.
Okay.
So for styling purpose, we use the CSS, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. It is
Styling
just a
or
structure.
decorating purpose, we will use CSS.
Okay.
It's a structure only. Okay.
Okay.
And now we will create a one file. And okay, yes. Now there is multiple way to use this script. One is you can use in a header, another one is you can use inside your this. Inside your means in a header, you can keep use this script tag here as well. Okay, and let's say you will say this blood hello JavaScript base. Okay. Then if you check this, it's showing. Okay. And you can do this, move this code in on this header as well, but we need to take care if you are using some, if you want to interact with your body elements or page element, then means right now it's declared inside a body. Am I right? But here means right now this is fine because we are showing this only this alert. Am I right? But let's say you want to interact with your element. Okay, then this element is, you can say, available in a body. Am I right? If you will try to try to get the element before body, you are not able to do that. You understand my point, guys? That's why we need to mention on below. Even your HTML, this whatever we learn in this layout pages, script is already in a below.
Yes.
Okay, that's the reason. And here, if you run again, then this is work. Okay. So, any question or concern, guys?
No.
Till now, no. So, and if you want to go through the theory, we can quickly go through that. But if you just want a practical only, then I can do practical only. It's totally up to you. We have a 8 minute with us.
Practical. JavaScript.
Okay, JavaScript. So right now we have this. So in a JavaScript, we can visit. This is a one way with the help of script tag. You can write this script tag in anywhere. Okay, it doesn't matter, and you can do this inside. You can say here as well, and say this on click, and here you can on click as well, and wherever. Okay, no. So let's say we want to do something with anything. So for that, let's say we have in this, we have, let's say for this, we have first we need to locate which element we want to perform some action. Let's say we will say we have a different method in JavaScript where you can say h1 will do, you can say document dot get element by tag name, and here we will say h1. Okay, and here we can use HTML dot h1 dot, you can say h1 dot, okay, h1 is so that element by tag h1 right with bookmark that element by tag another HTML. So let's check this. We are able to see this also. This is not change. It's not changed. Script adding.
Is there any need to use that type over script tag also? Because with the script, we use the type also, no? With type equal to text, then JavaScript. And what is the need to use that? Because if inside a script tag it is giving us the result, then why to use that type with the script?
Where we are using type? Where you are
Script
using
inside
this type?
no, we not now. We are not using that right now with the script, but we can use that na inside script also with the script tag. We use that type equal to I guess text is there, then JavaScript is there. Just what is the use of that if it is giving the result inside only
Uh,
script tag?
in this earlier is required. I mean, right? In
Okay.
HTML, earlier version is required. Now it's not required. It's optional. Earlier you need to mention this test JavaScript test. I mean, right? Something like that.
Right.
But
Type
nowadays
equal to
it's not.
text.
No, it's not
Okay.
required.
Okay.
That's say we will divide it to the button. What is button? There is a button. Let's say divide it. Okay. BTN. Okay. And after this, we'll say BTN. And you can say button, 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 click. Uh, so close and click. Let's check this. Mhm. Click. It's not working. Choose the file. It's working fine, but why it's not able to run for this? We go to click on the VPN. Is there? We can click me. Click alternative. And it will be able to open. What we will get there. One minute. VPN. That we will get there. Let's check that. No, it's not a function. This is not a function. Button is there. Let's check that. Let me store this. Yes. Now we are able to get this. And I think the method name is different there for that. Let's write this. Button, 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 there. Button, set, event listener. This is a way to do that. Click event listener. Add event listener. Click there and that is. Now it's clicked. You understand my point?
Yes.
So these are the action or events called action or events. Okay. So, okay, guys, any question or concern?
No.
No.
कट केला का?
हो ते चुकून लीव केलं त्यांनी शेअरिंग स्टॉप करायचं ते.
Sorry, I dropped the call. Let me stop the recording.